Hello everyone, welcome to PB Maths. Today in this video I am going to solve a problem which is from Kangaroo Mathematics Test 2009. It is for grade 11 plus students. The question is, a ball is kicked off from a point A on a square billboard table with side length 2 meter. After moving along the shown path and touch this side 3 times, path ends in point B. How long is the path that ball travels from point A to point B? It is given that angle of incident is equals to angle of emergence. Okay students, let's try to understand the question. Let's say there is a ball at point A and it is kicked from this point A. It moves along the path, it touches this table at point C, then point E, then at point G, later it ends at point B. Now we need to calculate total how much distance it travels from this path. To calculate that, first let's find out the lengths of BC, DC, ED and FE. Let us assume the length of BC as x meters. Then the length of DC becomes 2 minus x meter. Since DF is a square and the length of AB is 2 meters, if we consider the length of BC as x, then the remaining part, the length of DC becomes 2 minus x meters. Now let's take in triangle EDC and in triangle EFG. We know that angle of incident is equals to angle of emergence, and in a square each angles are equals to 90 degree. So in these two triangles we can write angle D is equals angle F, then angle DEC is equals angle FEG. So here in these two triangles, two angles are equal to each other. Then with the help of AA theorem, we can say that triangle EDC is congruent to triangle EFG. With the help of AA theorem, we can say that. Now we proved that these two triangles are congruent to each other, and we know that in a congruent triangles, corresponding parts are always equals to each other. So we can write DE is equals to EF, then EC is equals to EG, and also we can write DC is equals to FG. Reason, these are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Here we need to calculate the total distance traveled by that ball. Means we need to find out sum of AC plus EC plus EG. Then at last we need to find the sum of GB. Means here we need to find sum of AC plus EC plus EG plus GB. So now we proved that DE is equals EF. With the help of this, let's try to find out the length of AC, EC, GE and BG. Now let's compare the triangles. In triangle ABC and in triangle CDE, here angle B is equals angle D is equals 90 degree. Again, in a square each interior angles are equals to 90 degree. Then it is given that angle of incident is always equals to angle of emergence. So we can write that angle ACB is equals to angle DCE. Reason, it is given that angle of incident is equals to angle of emergence. So we can say that with the help of AA theorem, these two triangles are triangle ABC is similar to triangle CDE under AA theorem. So now we proved that these two triangles are similar to each other. So we know that here, if two triangles are similar to each other, then their corresponding paths are in equal proportion. Based on that, we can write AB by DE is equals BC by DC. Then the length of AB, which is equals to 2 centimeter, divided by the length of DE. DE is equals EF. Since DE is equals EF, the entire length of DF is 2 meters. DE and EF are equals to each other, so the length of DE is equals to 1 meter. Then the length of EF is also 1 meter. So the length of D is equals 1 meter, divided by length of BC is X, divided by length of DC is 2 minus X. Then by simplifying this, we can write 2 into 2 minus X is equals X. 2 into 2 we get 4. 2 into X we get minus 2X equals X. Then shifting this X to other side, we can write 3 times of X is equals 4. Then X equals 4 by 3. That is the value of X. X is equals 4 by 3. Now we have the value of X. Let's try to find out the length of AC and GB. In right angle triangle ABC, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equals AB square plus BC square. The length of AB is 2, so 2 square plus BC means the value of BC is X, so 2 square value 4 plus the value of BC is 4 by 3, so 4 by 3 whole square. 4 plus 16 by 9, so 1 9s are 9 1s are, we get 36 plus 16 by 9, which is equals to 52 by 9. That is the value of AC square. Let's calculate the length of AC. So AC is equals square root of 52 divided by 3. Similarly, let's try to find out the length of EC. So here also, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, in triangle EDC, we can write EC square is equals ED square plus TC square. The length of ED is 1, so 1 square plus the length of DC is 2 minus X whole square, which is equals to the value of 1 square is 1 plus 2 minus the value of X is 4 by 3 whole square. Let's simplify this one. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So 1, 3s are 3, 1s are, here we get 1 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 4 divided by 3 whole square, which is equals to 1 plus 2 by 3 whole square, which is equals to 1 plus 4 by 9. Here also, let's try to find out the length of LCM of 1 and 9, which is 9. So 1, 9s are 9, 1s are. So EC square is equals 1 into 9, 9 plus 4 1s are 4 divided by 9, which is equals to 13 by 9. Therefore, length of EC is equals square root of 13 divided by 3. Now in this figure, we proved that EC is equals to EZ. Similarly, we can prove that BG is equals to AC. C. So we can write AC is equals to BG is equals, we know the length of AC, which is equals to square root of 52 divided by 3. Then we can write length of EC is equals EG is equals square root of 13 by 3. Now we have the lengths of AC, BG, EC and EG. Now let's calculate the total distance traveled by that ball from point A to point B. To calculate that, let's add AC, EC, EG and BG. Here the length of AC and EG are equal. BG are equal to each other. Then the length of EC and EG are equals to each other. So we can write 2 times of AC plus 2 times of EC. So instead we can write 2 times of AC plus EC. 2 times of the length of AC is root 52 by 3 plus here the length of EG is root 13 by 3. In general we can write 2 times of root 52 plus root 13 divided by 3. This root 52 can be rewritten as 2 times of 2 root 13 plus root 13 divided by 3, because 13 fours are 52. Then taking out from that 4 from the square root, then we have 2, then 2 into 2 root 13 plus root 13, we get 3 root 13 divided by 3. Then we can cancel 3 and 3. Then we have 2 root 13 meters. That is the total distance traveled by that ball from point A to point B. That is the answer. I hope you got the solution. Thank you for watching the video.